Hey guys, so another underfarmed airdrop opportunity, and this time I'm talking about the XSwap. So first of all, XSwap raised around $3.64 million, so that's a decent amount. And why I am bullish on the XSwap is, first of all, it is quite underfarmed, and I will show you why. First of all, you can see only 72,000 followers. That's quite that's not a big number comparing to other swaps and exchanges. And this is the first cross-chain swap protocol on Chainlink, and you know Chainlink is one of the biggest cryptocurrencies out there, so that's definitely a reason not to fade. And right here you can see the backers, and why this is underfarmed airdrop opportunity is because right here you can see I have done only 23 swaps this far, and my position, my rank is 3063rd, which is quite high for this volume, which is around $1,598. That means I am swapping around $70 on average 23 times. I am already on the rank 3000, which is quite high in my opinion. And what you basically can do is bridge between chains and swap between chains. And if you want to support this channel and get a point boost, you can use my referral link. A referral link is in the description. Another alpha for this XSwap application is that if you are doing these XSwap, basically cross-chain transactions daily, I would recommend you to go on layer 3, basically another upcoming airdrop. And right here you can see on the streaks page, the one of the opportunities and streak quests is doing the swaps on the XSwap. So basically you are doing daily swaps as I am doing right now. And right here you can see I will do one swap every 5 days and I will collect a cube. And as you may know or don't know, you collect cubes to get a bigger airdrop on this layer 3 upcoming airdrop. And my recommendation is, if you are starting to do these XSwap streaks, if you want to get the layer 3 airdrop, you must get at least 100 cubes. And right here you can see season ends in 11 days. And if you ask me if you still can mint 100 cubes in 11 days, you can definitely mint 100 cubes. You can even mint 100 cubes in 3 days or 5 days quite easily. You just have to spend some more hours on the Layer 3 app. So this is definitely another multi-airdrop qualifier, this XSwap platform. So you're basically doing swaps and earning your airdrop on the XSwap itself. You are doing streaks on the Layer 3 upcoming airdrop as well if you get the 100 cubes. And one more alpha I will share is, if you're doing XSwap swaps on the base, basically swapping from base to other blockchains, you can qualify for another basically streak quest on layer 3, which is swap on base, which is, again, you swap every day, one swap, and you basically in 5 days you will be able to collect this cube, which I am doing as well. So you're basically qualifying for 3 airdrops. One is XSwap, another is layer 3, and the third is on base, because base token hasn't come out yet, and it will, in my opinion, come out probably in 2025. Again, the link, referral link, is in my bio. Thanks for supporting this channel. There will also be a layer 3 link, so you can start doing these basically quests and collect cubes. And again, I remind you, you need at least 100 cubes to qualify for the airdrop, as far as I understand. And the fourth alpha I wanted to share is, I just created my Patreon where I will be sharing, and I am currently sharing crypto alpha. Basically everything I know, all the alpha, all the valuable information will go on this Patreon first. So if you don't want to miss on any upcoming crypto NFT airdrop alpha on YouTube, press the subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on any upcoming alpha. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.